Tom Yum Spring Roll, a delightful concoction of spiced rice and stir-fried vegetables snugly wrapped in a crispy casing. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Shall we begin by incorporating 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce into a cup's cooked chilled rice? Lovely. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of sweet and sour sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste, and a tablespoon of salt. Give it a jolly good mix, won't you? Now, let's introduce this tantalizing blend to a pot of fresh stir-fry vegetable mix. I've got 650 grams of these veggies, mind you. No need to cook them. The aim is to retain that delightful crunch once we fry them. Once thoroughly combined, it's time to incorporate in half a cup of chopped roasted peanuts. Mix it up once more, please. Now let's fashion the flour paste to seal our spring rolls. In a bowl, blend 4 tablespoons of plain flour with a small amount of water until it attains a smooth consistency. Just like so. And now, the pièce de résistance, making the spring rolls. Using Chinese spring roll sheets, this recipe yields 20 delectable pieces. Add a couple of hearty spoonfuls of the rice mixture to the bottom of the sheet, fold in the edges tightly, and seal it with the paste. Aye, simple as that. Notice I'm applying the flour paste only to one end, not all edges. This simplifies the process remarkably. Today I'll fry only 8. The rest will be snug in the freezer. They freeze ever so well, you know. Pop the spring rolls into a pan of heated oil. Begin with medium heat to avoid burning the exteriors. Fry them for roughly 10 minutes. We don't aim for a complete golden brown as they continue to cook once removed. Take them out when they sport this appealing hue. Marvel at these beauties, just like the ones you'd relish in a fine restaurant. I'll be serving these with a delightful sweet and spicy sauce. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. I do hope you found it enjoyable. Do let me know where you're tuning in from. Last week we had a delightful viewer from the seaside town of Margate. Feel free to give it a like if it's to your fancy, and don't hesitate to share with your friends and family. I do hope to see you again next time.